What if the paycheck you're waiting for every month is actually your ticket to financial freedom? Most people treat payday like a reset button. Money comes in, bills go out, a few rewards slip in between, and before you know it, the account is back to zero. Then the countdown begins again. I lived that cycle for years. I wasn't irresponsible. I worked hard. I earned consistently. But my paycheck had no mission. It existed to disappear. And that's when I realized something powerful. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what your paycheck is trained to do. The first turning point was simple but uncomfortable. I stopped spending first and started paying myself first. The moment my salary hit, a fixed percentage moved automatically into a separate account. Not what was left over, not what felt convenient, a decision made in advance. At first, it felt tight. But within a few months, my lifestyle adjusted. Humans adapt faster than we think. When saving becomes automatic, it stops feeling like sacrifice and starts feeling like self-respect. But savings alone don't build wealth, they build stability. Wealth requires ownership. Instead of letting my paycheck fund only expenses, I made sure part of it bought assets. Nothing complicated. No obsessive stock market analysis. No chasing hot trends. Just consistent, simple investing. A retirement account. A broad index fund. A diversified portfolio built slowly, month after month. Here's the quiet truth most people ignore. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need massive returns. You need time and repetition. Small monthly investments done faithfully compound into something powerful over the years. Not overnight, not dramatically, but steadily. Then came the real enemy, lifestyle inflation. The moment income increases, most people upgrade their lives. Better car, bigger apartment, more subscriptions. The raise disappears before it ever builds momentum. I made a rule. Whenever my income increased, my investments increased first. Lifestyle could wait. That one rule changed everything. Instead of looking wealthier, I was becoming wealthier. And here's the deeper shift. I stopped seeing my paycheck as spending money. I started seeing it as stored life energy. Every dollar represented hours of focus, stress, and effort. When I spent impulsively, I was trading away my time permanently. But when I invested, I was buying back future freedom. I was telling my money to work, so I wouldn't always have to. The biggest transformation wasn't in my account balance, it was in my identity. I stopped saying, I'm trying to build wealth. I started saying, I'm someone who builds wealth with every paycheck. That identity made discipline easier, impulses weaker, progress visible. Imagine a year from now. Instead of wondering where your money went, you see growth, an emergency fund, investments rising quietly, debt shrinking, options expanding. That future doesn't belong to people with perfect incomes. It belongs to people who give their paycheck a purpose. You don't need a different job. You don't need market genius. You don't need perfect timing. You need one decision. Your paycheck will no longer just fund your present. It will build your future. You are not behind. You are not stuck. You are the author of this financial story. Every payday is a new chapter. Every deposit is a tool. Every disciplined action is a vote for the hero you're becoming. And that hero, it's you. Don't forget to share this episode with at least one person who will get some insights, because one video is enough to give people enough ideas to change their lives. I'll see you next video. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel.